Here we go. Here we go. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 6:15 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elbert, or 24 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving south at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Colorado Springs, Peyton, and Black Forest.
That's
For
me.
your protection,
Black
move
Forest.
to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Double header, please.
Significant
Oh.
weather